Right, let's spin it. Yeah, the old one, huh? Just a bit in there, just so it's not dry. Brake clean, Sadiq, look, can you see it?
Where is it?
Yeah, brake clean, I'm holding it, you bitch, yeah. Or if you do this on the side, Sadiq, look, it fills up, what's going on? Be vigilant. Microfiber cloth under here. Oh, fuck. Is it raining? Fuck that. Fucking with it. Fucking rain.
End of the production.
Welcome back to the video. So in today's video we're just going to give the Golf R oil change, okay? So right here, Sadiq, you see that? The oil filter's right there, okay? Well, you can't get to it, just wet that out of the way, okay? But we're not going to open it just yet. Get out. Right, it's right there, okay? Leave that there. The cap for your car engine oil, right there. Just pop that open. Just leave that open like that, okay? It'll help with the flow of the... Yeah, just leave it there, right? That's that, okay? Let's just open up the underneath, Sadiq. Let me get me off his sleeve. Look at that, Sadiq. Right, Sadiq, this is the first time we're looking underneath the car, Sadiq, get on the floor. Let's have an inspection.
Where's my thing?
You don't get a thing, bitch. You ain't doing a damn thing. Yeah. Right. Look at this. Sadiq, what's this?
I can't see anything.
What do you mean? Get that zoom in there. Yeah, it's only got... Oh shit, got it. Right. This is your oil pan. Yo, it's plastic, Sadiq. That is crazy. It's plastic. But as we can see here, there's no oil leaks. It's looking alright, see? Obviously, I had the DSG service over here. There's no leaks from here. Still alright down the Deem, you tightened it well. It's fucking alright, Sadiq. Right, to get this angle now, Sadiq, I think it's best if you go there. Right, Sadiq, can you see this?
Yeah.
This is the thing here, right? You see this notch down there?
Yeah.
This is just the indicator to know that you can't over tighten it. In a way, it's good. You might think that, oh, it's plastic, the whole thing's plastic. That is weak, but once it locks in there, it's pretty much locked. All you're going to need is a flathead. Right. Get it right in there. Hold it. Fucking under, bro. Right? Right in there, okay? And then you're just literally spinning it. But it's going to be a tricky one now. Leave that in there. Can you still see it, see? Yeah. Right, let's spin it. Now you see that, see, look, if you get the right flathead, it'll just stay in there, so it's perfect, right? So just let that drain, so the jump out. Right, see the inside of it? It literally, the right flathead will fit right in there, it's perfect. But if you use a too fat one, I was thinking you need a fat one so it catches grip, but it won't fit in there. And then if it's too skinny, it'll literally just flick out like that. So, I don't know. Nice little thing, but I don't... They sent me a new one of these, but I don't think I need replacement of that one. We'll have a look anyway. It is going to be a 32 mil. And let me just see if that's... Move that a bit. Right, whilst that's draining, 32 on there. Drip, drip, drip. Here we go, see. How are we looking? We winning? Right. Let's get some gloves. Yeah, the new one. Yeah, the old one. To be honest, it doesn't matter which way it goes in. Both ways are the same. That just says Bosch on it. Oh yeah, that says Audi on it. Smack that in there, that in there. Right, yeah, mate, it's the fucking same. Both are the same. Let's get a thumbnail here now, Sneak. Right, yo. Right. And new one there, and then the old one. Where's me? You stay there, see. You rest. You rest. Take it easy. You rest, alright? Yeah, the old one, huh? New one on. Right in that groove. It'll only go in one place. Right? Now, let's get this is along that. Right, magic. Okay. This one. Anyway, it don't matter. Just a bit in there, just so it's not dry. Right? That'll soak up, alright? Magic. Right, sweet, go on. Now, like I said, just a bit of oil. It'll soak up in there, because if you put too much, it's just going to pour straight out again. Okay, make sure it's clicked in there. Once it's clicked, just that hole in there. Spin on. Just that snug, that's pretty much in. Now, this 4 litres there, yeah, 5 litres. What I'm going to do, I'm going to pour the whole thing in, because it takes about 5 point something. But then again, remember, the car is still on jack stands, okay? So that was a test to see if you were paying attention. Why can't I put this oil in yet?
Because it's still draining.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, see, you're fucking on the ball. See, that was a test, and you didn't even stop me, so that you would have let me pour that in, you fucking idiot. See, you didn't even pay attention, right? Still draining, to be honest. Keep it for a bit. And then spin it. Keep spinning it. Oh, this tree. Can move the fuck out of the way. You see that seat? It's caught right there, so that's it now. It's pretty much tight. See how it wasn't even semi-tight and it still wasn't leaking? Honestly, it's a sick design. I was a bit like skeptical because it is plastic. I'll be like, what the fuck, man? It's only plastic, but it works out. Now that's just locked. It's pretty sick, Sadiq. So what I'm gonna do is spray some brake cleaner. You get back, Sadiq. This is gonna backfire, right? Sadiq? Be vigilant. Brake clean, Sadiq. Look, can you see it?
Where is it?
Yeah, brake clean. I'm holding it, you bitch. Yeah. Be vigilant. Watch your fucking eyes.
Watch your
fucking eyes. Oh yeah, also, if you got a cut, be vigilant. It'll sting. I got the cut on this hand. See that? There we go, that's bang on, that's it. Sadiq, is it bang on? Now what do we do, Sadiq?
Lost it.
Hey?
Huh?
Now what do we do? We jack the car out.
Yeah.
Or we can just fill it right now. Okay, so now we gotta fill it up, right? I do not like the honestly, there's no room for it. Plus, it's not like a real filler cap, it's just like on the side of it. So unless you're really accurate, then something like that's not gonna fit. Let me find a smaller one. But then the small ones just take ages. Fucking shit. Half of this oil's going on the floor. Right, so be vigilant. I'm gonna pour the whole 5 litres in there. Fucking hell, see that, man? You can't even like stop halfway. Oh, hold up, let me get it right in the gap, boy. Yeah, that's it. Fill it right in that gap. I'll show you the gap once I've stopped filling. But if you do this on the side, so look, it fills up. What's going on? Be vigilant. Get it right. It's a fucking shite design this. My back's cut, dude, mate. Fucking look how I'm standing, see. Back's gone, mate. Fucked. I'm leaning on this. Seriously. The support. Yeah, no, mate. It does take quite a bit, I think. I think it's 5.6 or 5.7. So it'll drink the whole of these 5 litres. That's if you don't spill half of it on the bloody floor. Because the fucking design is shite. But then you, oh, nearly fucking went then. So Nico, you getting a zoom in on this?
Yeah.
Right. Fucking hell, half of that's what gone in now. Right, so you get on this side, quick, mush, quick. Now you see the gap in there. Go on, there we go. You see, let me just touch it. You see that? If you pour it on there, yeah, it's just gonna overfill like fuck. But that is a gap right there. But you can't fit a what are these long? What are them called? Funnels? Can't fit a funnel in there, a fat one either. If you use a skinny one, it's gonna take fucking years because the nozzle's so thingy. But you see how half of this shit's on the fucking that's this. So once it's got 5 litres in, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna start the car, run it for like 3 seconds. Let everything circulate and then I'm just gonna top it up. I think it is 5.6 or 5.7, but I'm not 100% sure. I'll just keep checking the dipstick, to be honest. So that's done, 5 litres is drank. Now I'm gonna start the car. Because I've taken the under tray off, I don't need an under tray. What I'm gonna do, I'm just put a microfiber cloth under here. Oh, fuck! It's leaked oil, the way that I've spilled it. Fuck! If you don't have an under tray, this is what's gonna happen. Right, I need to move the car now. Bastard. You see that, so the fucking oil. Fucking shit design. Fucking. It'll be solid to take out. You'll leave patches like this, man. Just get a brake cleaner, you'll clean most of it, but. You piece of shit. See, that's patches from other car. Oh, it might just be rain today. I don't think, yeah, I ain't got patches like that. See, that's oil. If you leave oil like that, it'll just stain like that. It's fucking solid to get oil like that. But if you catch something like this, that is drip fresh, but that'll probably stain now, but fucking shit is it. You get that under there. Fucking spray all that. So that brake clean's the best thing ever, man. Flat oil's allergic to it. Fucking drips. Yeah. I'll see. Should be alright, see. See down there. Right, needs more oil now. Is it raining? Fuck that. Fucking rain. Fucking rain. How much you need, bitch? Be vigilant. There shouldn't be anything on there. because if I'm, yeah, so it's there, so you get zoom in. Seeing that? Fucking rain, mucker, hurry up!
Yeah.
There we go, this. Pour half of that in there. Ah, he's making that noise. He was alright. Yeah, nah. Okay, if anything, I'll pull your fucking finger. There we go. Be vigilant. Give me a check. How are we looking? Oh, that's alright there, look at that. Halfway there, so the halfway there. What do you think? Bang on that. If anything, I'll keep that at the back, just in case I need a refill, but that's that. We made it perfect timing, so it just started raining. Fucking fuck off. See, rain's what stops me from making videos, but when it doesn't rain, we're good on bush. Right, so get to the back. Quick, come on. We're dealing with it much. Right, look, I've got my fire extinguisher there, just in case we get fire. This will stay right there. That'll stay right there. What's this, eh? What's that? Cheeky little gift on that. Merry Christmas. Oh, mate, do you know this video, yeah? This video will probably come out in thingy. Oh, this video will come out in two Hamza and family. Merry Christmas from Chris and family. Christoph. Forgot his card. Left it in here the whole time. It's like fucking March now, see? Is it? Are we in February? Shut up.
Come on, go and move.
Eh? That'll make me shut up, sweet. Alright, get in there, see? It's fucking raining here, boss.
Actually,
Get the camera fucking under there. Right. How we looking? Are we winning? Did you get calendars? Yeah. Fucking go home then, mush. Right, see you in the next one.
I'm a different kind of chick.